Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to contour your lips. So without any further ado, let's just hop into this video. So guys, first thing first, because we've had our foundation on our face, all we gotta do is just go in with a wet wipe, a towel, and just remove all the excess of your lips. Sometimes you get foundation, they fall out from your eye or over your skin, so you just want to keep on rubbing and rubbing and rubbing all over your face, all over your lips. So rub for a few seconds. It should look something like this. Next, what you're going to do is hydrate your lips. Then I'm going to remove everything. Literally feels a lot more juicier and healthy. Next, what I'm going to do is get myself a lip pencil. Now with your lip pencil, you can use any lip pencil, but just make sure that it is darker than your original lip, because you want to see the whole kind of contour effect. You're going to start off here first with your cupid's bow. It's going to look something like this. Followed by going down here. Thereafter, you're going to work your way back to the original shape of your lip. So blend it in towards this one here. Likewise on this side. At the bottom, we can go a little bit more down, but here in these areas, no. Likewise, over here on this side, you can go in line. On the center, make sure you go, and then in the two corners. You can go in with any color and contour your lip, provided that you're using a color that's darker than the shade that's going to be on your lip. So the next color that I'm going to be using is the NARS. Just make sure that the blending is done perfectly. And that's what it's going to look like.